Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I would like to do today, guys, is show you the options of how you can edit a new document with inside Adobe Illustrator. Sometimes what you want to do is manipulate the size of the artboard, and there's many different options that you can use to help you do that. First of all, what you can do is come to the top here and use Document Setup. And that gives you the option here of adding bleeds if you need to do that. And what you also have is the Edit Artboard tool option. What that does is it allows you now to manipulate either manually here by clicking and dragging at these points, like so, or what you can do is manually come up here and change them. Let's say we go for 500 points by 600. And as you can see, we're editing that size of the artboard there, like so. Also, as well, what we have is the actual artboard tool situated in our toolkit here. Keyboard shortcut is Shift-O for that. What that tool does is it allows you now to create multiple artboards, like so. Here, what you want to do, maybe presenting different forms of your designs on different multiple artboards, like so. I'm just going to use the keyboard shortcut Command- for Mac users and Control- to zoom out for window users, like so. And as you can see there, we have the three-sized artboards. Also, as well, you may need to change the DPI or the color mode. So what you'd have to do is come to Effects, Document Raster Effect Settings. And what you have here is the color mode, so you can change this between CMYK, grayscale, and bitmap. What you can also change here is the resolution here if you need to, screen, medium, high, like so. Also, as well, what you have is if you come here to File, you have Document Setup here and also Document Color Mode, which allows you to change from CMYK to RGB if you're doing anything on screens. And there you have it, guys. That's all the tips and tricks that you need to edit a new file and a new artboard within Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.